Hi guys, we'll start with an URDF example by using a ChatGPT, how to create a URDF format for your robot from existing XML code, and we'll copy those codes to our ChatGPT, and we'll ask to ChatGPT to convert those code to the four-wheel driver with an Lidar or a camera sensor with four-wheel drive. So this is a task we are going to do, and how we can utilize the ChatGPT to make the robot, simulation robot, and how to make a simulation world using a ChatGPT. These things we will see in this tutorial. Okay, but first I will go to ROS2 Humble documentation. Here you can see the full finishing model. So click that. We need to copy the entire thing. Before that, first we need to source the terminal. Source OPT. Every packages are settled in OPT. So type OPT ROS Humble Setup.bash. So after bash, we need to install the sudo apt install. I already installed. There is no problem. I think URDF. Terminal. See in history. Okay, we need to install the URDF tutorial after source it. Okay, now we need to source. Now we need to open on file to paste this XML code for a URDF robot. So type Dutch and give the name for this URDF robot. Type a new underscore robot. It's already exist, I think. Okay. New dot URDF. Okay, now we created a new dot URDF, right? So next is we need to paste these things, right? For that, get edit new dot URDF. So now the code editor is open. Now we need to copy this entire code from, otherwise we'll start with this box. This is a XML example. So copy this and paste it here. So go to plain text, type XML. So now we'll see the code example. So we give the name as an my robot. The name of this link is base link. So we'll give the geometrical circle for this with a length of 0.5 0.6 meters and the radius of 0.2. So after this, okay, now we created the XML code for our robot. Next, we need to launch this, right? For this ROS2 launch URDF underscore tutorial. Here is a code we need to display .py. Next is model. Which model you are going to launch. You need to keep that. Type model. Okay, ROS2 launch URDF underscore tutorial display dot launch dot py. So it will launch always. Then we need to give the workspace name. We created the name as new dot URDF, right? So in terminal you can see here the home and the kabilan. In that we created a new. For fine tuning that, we need to use the pwd command. So here you can see the home directory, the in Kabilan the your new .urdf is available. So while launching this, type ROS2 launch urdf underscore tutorial display dot launch dot py and model equal to slash home Kabilan new dot urdf. Now enter it. Now it will launch always with this cylindrical shape. So these things we created now. And next go to down. Now we are going to add origin. Otherwise, go here, finish model. With using this XML code, we can create an entire shape of the robot with an hand, those things. So paste this and go to terminal. Now you launch a model, so it will launch the entire shape with the robot. You can see the TF coordination also is available, right? So now what we are going to do means, using ChatGPT we are going to convert this entire XML code to four-wheel driver code. Okay, copy this, go to browser, go to GPT and paste this in your GPT and type convert this XML code to four-wheel autonomous mobile robot with Lidar and camera sensors in correct orientation and position. Now enter, it will create a XML code for four-wheel driver. You can see in GPT now it's creating, I think. Now the ChatGPT is creating the entire code. Now it's created, right? We can see here the color also it created, and the base link it's created with a size, and next is an front wheel left, front wheel back, and these things is created by the ChatGPT. So entire thing is very easy to now using ChatGPT. So we give the some reference code to the ChatGPT and asking to convert this code to these types of shapes. So this is the thing. By using this, we can easily make the robot. So go to terminal and paste this and give save. Now we'll launch the terminal. You can see now, but the orientation is not correct, right? The four-wheel is created and the base link is created and the lidar sensor is created and the camera is created, right? So using this fixed frame we can find out which is camera, right? This camera and lidar link. So this is a lidar link. So base frame, base link. Okay, now using this, now the orientation and the position of the wheel coordination is not correct. So this is the problem, we need to change these things. So once again we'll ask GPT to create this Okay, go to GPT. The given XML code for four-wheel robot, the wheel position and orientation is not correct. Check it. Okay, now it's creating a new XML code. So it's checking, I think. Otherwise, we'll continue with this tutorial. Next tutorial, we'll see how to make the idea of a robot. Okay, once again we'll do go to terminal and go to edit and change the code. Now close it, go to terminal and launch. Now it's created correct type. The wheel orientation is correct now. ChatGPT created a current orientation and the coordination, I think. We'll check once again. We'll check. Right now it's rotating correct position, I think. No, it's not correct. But this is a thing we can do the XML design using ChatGPT to create this robot. Okay, thank you. We'll see in next video what is the difference between ROS and ROS2 using Docker container ROS1 and ROS2 in localhost. We'll see in the upcoming video session. Thank you.